Secrets of our cosmic neighborhood. A journey through the solar system. Imagine a vast, dark ocean filled with glowing gems. In this ocean, millions of floating worlds dance around a bright, fiery star. This star is the Sun, and the worlds are the planets of our solar system. Each planet has its own unique story, waiting for us to discover. The mighty Sun. The Sun is more than just a light in the sky. It is a gigantic ball of hot gas, mostly hydrogen and helium. The surface temperature is around 5,500 degrees Celsius. Without the Sun, life on Earth would be impossible. It gives us warmth, light, and energy. Mercury, the swift messenger. The closest planet to the Sun is Mercury. It moves so fast that it completes an orbit in just 88 Earth days. But don't let its small size fool you. Mercury is a rocky world with extreme temperatures, reaching over 400 degrees Celsius in the daytime and dropping to minus 180 degrees at night. What secrets lie on its surface? Venus, the veiled beauty. Next comes Venus, often called Earth's twin because of its similar size. But Venus is not a friendly neighbor. It is covered in thick clouds of sulfuric acid, creating a greenhouse effect. This makes Venus the hottest planet, with temperatures around 470 degrees Celsius. Why is it so different from Earth? Earth, our home. Now we arrive at Earth, the only planet known to have life. Our planet is unique with its blue oceans, green forests, and diverse animals. Earth orbits the Sun every 365 days and has a protective atmosphere. What makes life thrive here like nowhere else in the universe? Mars, the red planet. Mars is known as the red planet because of its rusty land. It is a cold, dry world with giant volcanoes and the largest canyon in the solar system. Mars holds the biggest mystery of all. Could life once have existed here? Scientists are eager to explore. Jupiter, the giant of the solar system. Jupiter is a real giant, far bigger than all the other planets combined. It is famous for its great red spot, a massive storm that has raged for hundreds of years. Jupiter has at least 79 moons, including Ganymede, the largest moon. What secrets do these moons hold? Saturn, the ringed wonder. Next up is Saturn, known for its stunning rings made of ice and rock. These rings are not solid. They are made of countless tiny particles. Saturn is a gas giant, and its atmosphere is full of storms and high winds. How did these rings form, and what stories do they tell? Uranus, the tilted planet. Uranus is quite special because it rotates on its side. This strange tilt makes its seasons very unusual. It is a blue planet because of the methane in its atmosphere. Uranus is an icy giant. What mysteries hide in its deep, cold clouds? Neptune, the windy world. Finally, we reach Neptune, the farthest planet from the Sun. It is known for its strong winds, the fastest in the solar system. Neptune also has a striking blue color, like Uranus. But many questions remain. What lies in its deep ocean-like atmosphere? The secrets of the solar system. As we journey through the solar system, we find more than just planets. There are asteroids, comets, and mysterious moons waiting to be explored. Each object tells a different story about the universe's past. So, what secrets will we uncover next in our quest for knowledge?